Good afternoon, everyone. Today is just so beautiful. I just wanted to walk around the house and show you how pretty everything is. We got 4.5 inches of rain yesterday, all day. We were so blessed. This is my little 1850s log cabin. It's over here to the side of my house. Here's our house. Please excuse the traffic. This is a pretty busy day. Over here I have some beautiful, or I think beautiful, oak leaf hydrangeas. They're along this stone fence here, and they have started multiplying. I have very poor soil, so I am just blessed that I was even able to grow them. That one's fixing to bloom. This is the little side patio that my husband made. He did all the rock work here. These are a couple persimmon trees. Here's a bigger one. I used to have a really big one over there, and it died. And these have come up since then. Here's my wonderful concrete turkeys that my friend Joanne got in Maine. I mean, not Maine, Ohio. And they actually had a plane, and they brought it home on their plane. Here is the front of my house. We have a lot of new followers, so I thought I would kind of give y'all a little tour. This is the house. This part of the house was built in 1865, and I just love it. That's the doorway to the hall. Here's my favorite rock. Actually, my friend Joanne that had the turkeys gave that to me. Here's some lantana that I just love. It'll bloom again in the fall. And here's the log cabin that's attached to our house. This is where I go in here in the winter time and do some cooking on the fireplace. I'm not a good videoer, so follow along with me. Give me some slack here. There's a lemon tree. It didn't used to freeze, but now we get such bad winters. It freezes every year, and we don't get any lemons, but it does come back. Here's a beautiful verbena with some lobelia in there with it. My little garden that needs weeding. This is Cosmos. It'll be up pretty soon. It's my little birdhouses and signs here on the side. So now I'm going to run back here to the backyard. Here's my little potting shed. And this sweet potato vine is in an old stump of a tree that we had to cut down, and it comes back every year. The stump keeps holding on. I hope it continues for quite a while, but I'm sure it'll probably rot out for too long. Here's my little back porch on the back of the house. See how green the grass is getting, even though I don't have a lot of grass because we lost so much in the last drought. Here's some really pretty lantana. This is my little outdoor patio. There's some larkspur. It's about gone. Actually, it doesn't come back like it used to. I'm going to get some more seeds. There's some more larkspur and some poppies. It's one of our garden folk. A bee scap. A stone trough that actually my husband carved out. Here's some cosmos coming back. There's the back of the house. And then we'll just walk out here real quick, and I'll just give you a panoramic, or whatever you call it, of the back. That's a raised bed. Number 2. And number 3 is all asparagus. And then here's my garden out here. My precious little garden that Caden and Hunter built for me. And it's just enough to grow just enough veggies for me. There's our barn. There's our little chicken pen and sheds. And there's my other outbuilding. And anyway, I just wanted to share this with you. It's just so beautiful today. I am truly blessed.